I am Oliver Cromwell, born in 1599 in Huntingdon, England, to a modest family of landowners. My early years were spent in study and the quiet responsibilities of rural life. But God had different plans for me, and I have come to see my role as a servant of His will, defending the faith and ensuring that tyranny does not rule over the lives of honest Englishmen. I became a member of Parliament in the 1620s, a time of deep unrest. King Charles I was trampling upon the rights of his subjects, imposing taxes without consent, and ruling without regard for the voices of Parliament. When tensions erupted into the English Civil War in 1642, I felt compelled to take up arms for Parliament, to protect liberty and freedom. I may have been a mere gentleman farmer at the start, but I rose through the ranks. My new model army became a force to be reckoned with. Our soldiers fought for principle, discipline, and the righteous cause of liberty. I was a general, but foremost a man devoted to the Lord's work. Under my command, we fought decisively at Marston Moor and Naseby, breaking the king's power on the battlefield. In 1649, King Charles I, whom I once respected, was found to be a danger to the very liberty of his people. After careful deliberation and prayer, it was determined he must face trial, and ultimately, he was executed. I did not take this decision lightly. It was the Lord's will that we remove a tyrant. And though it weighed heavily upon me, I believed it necessary for the future of our nation. In the years that followed, I took up the role of Lord Protector, not as a king, but as a steward of the Commonwealth. I sought to govern with justice and fairness, promoting religious tolerance even for the Jews, whom I allowed to return to England after centuries in exile. I saw it as my duty to support all who sought to worship God as they saw fit, so long as they did not threaten the stability of our Commonwealth. Yet I am no fool. I know that my actions have earned me enemies. I have been called a tyrant by some, a hero by others. To those who condemn me, I say this: I acted always with England's best interests at heart, with the purity of the faith and the stability of the realm foremost in my mind. I died on September 3, 1658, at the age of 59, and I pray that I am remembered as a man who, though flawed, strove to uphold justice and the will of God. I am Oliver Cromwell, a servant of the people, a defender of England, and, above all, a humble man of faith.